Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a grid video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and begin a brand new project. Import all your desired video clips into the media pool. Next, create a new Fusion composition, which will be the canvas for our grid. Ensure your project settings are optimized for your footage, perhaps setting the frame rate to 24 or 30 frames per second for smooth playback. Now let's build the grid. In Fusion, drag a background node into the workspace and set its color to black. This will be our base. Then, add a grid node and connect it to the background node. You can adjust the grid's width and height, perhaps setting it to 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 cells. Also, fine-tune the border size for a clean look, maybe 1 or 2 pixels. With our grid ready, it's time to add the videos. Drag your media into the Fusion composition. For each clip, connect it to a merge node, then connect that to your main grid. Use a transform node to scale and position each video precisely within its designated grid cell. Finally, apply a rectangle mask node to each clip, ensuring it perfectly fits the cell boundaries, creating a clean, defined look. Now for the finishing touches. Adjust the timing and synchronization of your video clips to ensure they play harmoniously within the grid. You might add subtle effects or transitions between cells for a more dynamic presentation. Once everything looks perfect, head to the Deliver page. Choose your preferred format like MP4 and render your stunning new grid video. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.